everybody, it's Nadia and I'm back at it again with another video. In today's week we are going to DIY a calendar because January is starting, which means a new year, new me, new calendar. So if you want to keep yourself organized, it's about time that you have a calendar. I know most of you probably already have a calendar. For those late bloomers who are still kind of like, oh damn, I need a calendar, this is the perfect time to create one. So what are we going to need for the video? Hold up! Before we need anything, what we need to do is to click that subscribe button so that you become the member of this amazing family here on YouTube. If you subscribe, you won't miss out on any further videos, and if you tap that notification bell right next to that subscribe button, you will be notified the moment new video is up, and you won't miss out on any further fun DIY projects. And now we can actually get into what we need, which is... First thing that we're going to need is a bunch of cardstock or normal paper or just paper. Cardstock is better because it holds a bit better, but if you have just paper at home, go with paper. I have decided to do mine 28.5 centimeters by 20.5 centimeters, so it's a square. But you can also make it bigger, make it smaller, the way it fits into a room. So that we know what month it is. Well, either you are very good at hand lettering, which I'm not, so I have decided to make myself some stickers. So I hopped onto Canva, their cute fonts, and created myself some stickers that I then printed out on the sticker paper, and now I have monthly stickers for every month that looks super cute. So once we have our stickers, the few last things that we're going to need is a piece of wood so we can hang it onto something. Once we have the wood, it's probably of course it cannot hang just on the wood, so we will need 4 nails because I'm going to punch in 4 holes. So 4 nails, you can even do more nails, whatever. But if you have nails, obviously you're not that strong, so you will need a hammer to hammer them in, or well, in. Since the wood is kind of woody and it ain't that cute, this color don't really fit into my room, I have some acrylic paint. You can also use wood paint, but that takes too long to do and the whole house smells afterwards. So I'll go with the acrylic paint, so get some white acrylic paint, or you can get any color that you want. And the last thing that we're going to need is a hole puncher so that we can punch some holes into the paper, so then we can hang it on the nails. Well, this is pretty much it, what we're going to need for the video. So I think that we can get started with the DIY. The first thing to do, if the wood that you're having is not your desired color, is to take some color and get it colored. So I will paint mine white, and then by the time I have my pages done, it's already dried. The color seems about right. I think that it's ready to dry, and then we're going to punch some nails into there so that we can hang our paper on it. Well, our wood is drying, so we can get started with the actual calendar pages. For that, first of all, I'm going to put out my stickers, and then we're going to draw the brackets for each day. The sticker on, what we have to do is measure out the brackets for each day and just draw them on, and then we can make the holes in the paper and hang it all up. When you're drawing out the days and putting the numbers on, make sure to have your phone around so that you can look into the calendar and that you have it correctly. The grid with the pencil, we'll go over it with a marker so it's more seeable. And after we draw the grid, we just put in the numbers based upon the month of the calendar, and on the top row we're going to put the days. So what day is it? So you can start it either from Monday till Sunday. I know that the US folks or some countries, they start from Sunday. Yeah, here I'm used to Monday as a starter of a calendar. See, now it looks much better with the grid drawn on, and it's time to put on the days and the dates. So this is how it's going to look like in the end, and then we're just going to do the rest with the whole calendar. Once we have our pages finished, what we're going to do is punch holes at the top. I'm going to do 4 holes with my hole puncher, and then we're just going to hammer our nails into our wood and we can hang it up. So I think the best way will be to go from one side and then turning it around and doing the other side. And then we have those 4 holes on which we can hang it up. Now we're just going to do a magic action where we have our holes all done. Well, there we go. We have our holes punched in. So now we can hammer in the nails and we can hang our calendar. Before we start hammering, we gotta do some markings or our piece of wood. And you'll do that simply by putting your page and on the wood where it should be, and then just in the spots in the holes where they are, just make a marking, and right in there we're going to hammer in our nails. So now it's gonna get a bit loud. Make sure that if you're like small, that your parents help you, or if you don't know how to do it, just ask your dad. I hope I'm not gonna break the whole house down, but let's do it. Now, as you can see, we have the nails inside, so we can just hang our paper on it, and we have our calendar finished. Okay, let me just do like a little bit of. And we have it finished. So as you can see, the calendar's done. We have all 12 months. And now all we have to do is hang it up. And throughout the year, you can write your stuff down, what you need to do. Like for me, I can see that this is one of the calendars that I enjoy having, because sometimes I can write the most important things in there and I just see it because it hangs in my room. And I think it's also like a cute way to decorate your room. Because it looks pretty. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. If you don't want to miss out on any further DIYs, make sure to subscribe down below. And if you hit that notification bell, you for sure are not going to miss what is up, because you will be notified the moment new video is coming up. If you would like to know what is currently happening, what new DIYs are coming up, and simply the stuff from my daily life, make sure to follow me on Instagram. And I guess that's it for this week. So until next week at 7 p.m. Bye! But wait a minute, if you would like to see more videos and more DIYs, make sure to click here or here. And now really though, bye!